October is Manufacturing Month, and the City of Lakeville is proud to celebrate our manufacturing businesses. The vision for Airlake Industrial Park started in the mid-1960s, and the park has been a major employment hub for the city for over 50 years. Thanks to all of Lakeville's manufacturers for being a part of that impressive legacy.
Lakeville's Industrial Park is located on the southern edge of the city next to Airlake Airport. The park includes 930 developed acres with nearly 10 million finished square feet and boasts more than 70 manufacturing businesses and over 200 total businesses. Manufacturing employs nearly 3,000 people, making it Lakeville's largest employing industry. Our local manufacturers make items like custom outdoor fireplaces, auto racing parts, natural honey products, granola bars, and lawnmower parts, just to name a few. In the past 5 years, the industrial park has seen nearly 2 million square feet of new building get constructed and added $157 million of tax valuation since 2020. Thank you to all our local manufacturing businesses for choosing Lakeville. Your investment helps our city thrive.